Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of my channel that is related to the backup system. Okay, so in this video we will create automated backup system in Linux using shell scripts and cron jobs. By the end you will have a backup running daily without any manual effort. So today we are going to create this with using very simple steps. First of all, we need to set up a test directory. So let's creating the directory using this command mkdir-p using the tilt. That tilt means in line tilt means the home directory of login user, the directory name project data. Okay, so after that I'm saving some files inside this directory using this command echo. Inside this directory project data with the name file1.txt data, the name file1.txt. I'm creating another one. I'm just changing the number. We need to create backup script. Okay, so I'm creating a backup script with the name backup.sh. Okay, now first you need to enter the cbang, that is hash exclamation then slash bin slash. Next we need to enter the variables. So I'm creating some variables here, that is source directory. So I'm using the source directory that is just I have created, that is the project data, project underscore data. I'm creating the backup directory variable, which is slash backups, and I'm creating the date variable, so it will help us to create the new backup with the date stamp. This date plus %y, that is for year, %m, that is for month, and %t for date, %hour, %minute, and %second. Closing the bracket. Next, after this, what will our script do? Our script will create a backup directory using the command mkdir-p, and here we have used the variable. We can use this variable backup_dir, backup underscore dir. Next, the backup file name. So backup file name, it is backup underscore file under our backup directory, backup underscore dir, and inside this it will create underscore this date variable I'm using here, and it will create the archive with gzip compression. Next, it will create the compressed file. So using tar and czf, it will create this one, $backup underscore file and $source underscore dir. So inside the backup file, that is this one, it will create the archive, that is tar. Using this command, tar means the tape archive, and -czf, that is the create, and z for the compression, and f for the files. And the variable I have used the backup underscore file, and then it will save under the source directory. All right, now after doing this, if you want to get some message that the backup is created, you can use the print success message like that, backup created at backup underscore file. Okay, so this can be used to get the print to get the success message. Okay, that's it. This is our small script to create the backup. Now save this file. If you check the information here inside our in the present directory, that is under /root. This file is not yet executable, right? So you have to make this executable using the chmod. We can make the file executable. Now if you execute this command again, here you can see that execute permission already added. Now test it. You can use backup.sh. Here you can see that backup created at root backups backup directory. So here one directory has been created. It holds the information which I have stored inside this project data. So if you check backups, here you can see that one archive file has been created, okay, which saved the information which was there in the project underscore data. So what we have inside the project underscore data, we have two files, file 1 and file 2. So if you unzip this file, okay, you can get this same directory. Go inside this root directory, you can get the project data. Here the file 1 and file 2, it is there, okay. I have unzipped this directory here, and we have found this is inside this directory, okay. So if you again, if you save another files and you have if you execute this backup script, then again that file will be backed up in this directory. Let's check it again. I am creating another two files, okay, ls-lrt, -l, that is the project data. So ls-lrt, if you check the project data, another two files has been created. Now if I am execute this backup.sh, another backup has been created inside this backup directory, you can see here. So let's move to this backups directory and unzip it. So I'm removing this root directory which we have previously unzipped. Let's unzip the new file, okay, with the date and timestamp it is created. So I'm unzipping it using this option. Let's unzip. Here you can see the information, and also if you check here, another directory has been created. If you check this root directory, there you can able to find the project underscore data, and if you check the project underscore data, you can find out the file which we have prepared. So like this we can prepare our own backup script, and we can back up our most valuable data using this simple script, okay. And if you want to automate this process, you can do this using the cron job, okay. Like if automate this script, you can use cron tab hyphen, and here if you want to run the script at 2 a.m. on every day, so you can use this. So minute is 0, then number 2 1. If I want to execute every day, then every day at 2 a.m. so it will create the backup every day at 2 a.m. using the script backup.sh. it will be execute. And if I want to keep the log, I can just add one more information, that is it will create if there is any error. Okay, so I can able to get the error log from this backup.log. If there is any error while executing this backup.sh, it will store inside the backup.log under /root. This is how you can prepare your own automated backup script. Okay, and you can backup your information here. If you want some advanced enhancement, like if you want to this backup directory, so you can use one more information. You can use one more information inside this backup.sh script. You can add one more command here, like find. It will find the backup directory. It will find inside the backup directory, it will find the files. Okay, then use the em time and +7, that is if the files which is older than 7 days, it will delete it. So using this another line, you can also delete your backlogs which will not holds the space unintentionally. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.